Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. Can you tell? Again, right? But I've got an idea. This time I want to try, this is the Let's Resin mica powders. This one is the tangerine. And then let's see, want to go for some a little bit more not watermelon. I thought maybe something a little oranger. Oranger. Is that a word? Okay, maybe not. Maybe not the Let's Resins. Alright. The orange, the tangerine. Let's go with that. Okay, glasses off. I've got, this is a makeup brush that comes with some of the mica powders, let's just say. I don't know which ones. So, I'm going to dust this here little mold. Of course. Of course it does. Oh, I was just fixing to push pause and told y'all to hold on a minute. Can't believe that worked. Alright. I'm just going to take this tangerine mica powder and just give it my best shot. At getting some color. On this crystal candle holder mold. Although it appears at first it's going to be hard, it's really not bad. Now, I might waste a little bit of mica powder, but okay, these might be a little tougher. They're a little bit thinner. Sorry, I hope I've been on camera this whole time. You just gotta be able to see down in there. Okay. Just a little further. Okay. I'm gonna throw this pool thing away. But weirdly enough, I'm not gonna throw that cardboard away. Because I'm sure I will use these mica powders without the top on. And I don't want them to spill. Okay, now. Ugh. Oh well. Alright. Now I'm covered with tangerine mica powder. Let me see. Just a piece of scrap mail. CD paving and sealing coat, whatever. Okay, I really just kind of want it shook around in there a bit. Alright, now let me look down in there a little bit and see what we got. There's a bit. Okay, dump that out over my trash. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix up my resin. And I'll be back. Okay, now this is my polyurethane resin. I am not gonna share the brand with you because I would not recommend this brand at all, but it's what I got. So this is the part A. This is the Alumilite black dye. I did not have it sitting upside down like I should have had. 1 drop, although that was a slow drop. And then I'm going to mix that in. And I might need 1 more drop. Now this is not a new bottle of resin by any means. That is part of the reason why I'm not sharing it, but like I said, the main reason is because it's terrible resin. Sorry. It's very brittle. Alright, yeah, okay. Now, one of the things I want to do, because no, I will stick my arm in it. The micapowder is one thing, but I don't want that black resin dye on my arm. Okay, this is the part A. Part B. And weirdly enough, I'm going to pour the part A into the part B. Just because it's thinner. Although they're both incredibly thin. So I'm just going to stir these around a few seconds. A few seconds, because that's all you have. This resin sets up in 10 minutes. That's why I'm going to wipe my stick off. Then I'm going to pour it in. Now I know this mold takes 2 ounces of resin. Okay, 10 minutes, it should be done. I'll be back. Okay, Still just a tiny bit warm. Like I said, I was not sure that this would even cure. We're going to go on the low side to demold this. It's going to be so pretty, y'all. In my experience, if you can fold this back, and that's saying something, because it don't want to. Alright. And yes, it does have mold release in it. This is just one booger of a mold to get it to come off. I'm gonna have to do this off. Okay, there we go. Okay, there it comes. That's how thick that mold is. You can tell just from the flop. It is fully hardened. Certainly is. Alright. Now, it's not perfect coverage, but darn near. That is with the Tangerine mica powder from Let's Resin. Let's see. Just show you again. These are all the colors. Now, I do store mine upside down because I got tired of lifting them out every time to see what the color was. So, I can see the colors perfectly. They're still in the box, which for me is a good thing. I know some of y'all have mold problems. I'm getting there as well. Okay, I'm past there as well. But I have a mica powder and glitter problem. So, oh, forget it, Lynn. It won't come clean. Just give it up. Without soap and water, that is. Alright, this is it for today. I know it seems petty, but I really just wanted to see if that resin was even salvageable. So it's good to know I can at least use what's left in the bottle before I have to throw it away. And so it was a gallon. And it was still 3/4 full. So, now, that is so pretty. Now I want to do a bunch of them. I'm crazy about this crystal candle holder. It is something about, it's a candle holder or a trinket box. It's something about that it's a usable object, not just something to hang on the wall, or not that there's anything wrong with that. I just don't need any more of that. I'm sure there will be times that I need more of it, but not right now. Alright. Not quite as orange as maybe I wanted it to be, but next time I would do a little bit of, well, maybe I would do the, not sure what color it's called now. The one that's the red. I mean, it's kind of a pinky red, maybe. Anyway, I'd do that in first. I'd dust the mold in first, and then I'd dust the rest of it with this tangerine and see what that looked like. That's my problem. Now I have 2 of these, so I can do 2 of them. I want to try them in all the colors. I want to do black resin with maybe blues and greens or purples. Blues and purple. Alright, this is what we did today. Another Temu mold. I do have a 30% off coupon for first time buyers down there in the description box, as well as I have an affiliate link that if you use that, I get a little bit of kickback from. I also have an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from. It's got things like resin dyes, glitters, mica powders. The Let's Resin mica powders are definitely listed. I'm thinking maybe even the Let's Resin dyes, alcohol inks, all that kind of stuff. I got a new Facebook page. If you're interested in looking me up there, you can send me a friend request, comment, whatever. Let's see, I opened up a super thanks button below the video. As well as I put a let's buy me a coffee link in the video description below. As well as I did open an Amazon wish list if you're interested in any of that. This is what we did today. Really pretty. Really, really pretty. From the Let's Resin Tangerine mica powder and the polyurethane resin, which, like I said, I will not share with you because I would not recommend anyone buy such a product from that product. Not saying the polyurethane resin, buy that all you want. Just this particular brand, it's really, now this seems pretty sturdy, okay, but I have poured things in the past that were obviously thinner than this, which you can definitely do with polyurethane resin, and they just broke right in half. So I will definitely use this again for at least pours of this thickness, so I won't have to worry about them snapping. I have rambled on way too much, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. Oh, bye for now.